Hey there everyone, I hope you're all fine. So in this video we are going to learn how to change font in Call of Duty Mobile. So without further ado, let's get started. So first what you need to do is, if you don't have inbuilt font like I have in my mobile, you can just download this keyboard from the Play Store, or you can just use the website called Copy and Paste Fonts. So it's a website, you have to just put your name or whatever you want and just change the font that you like. But I already have it, so that's why I'm just going to use my inbuilt font here. So I'm just going to select any font from here. So I will select this one, I'll put my name here and simply just copy it, and then let's go to Call of Duty. So just go on this section on the top left corner, click on basic. As you can see, this pen section here, click on this pen icon, click on it and click long enough so that it says paste. Wait, it's not showing right now. Okay, so you can see I have already copied it, so simply paste it here. I think it's not gonna work like this. Okay, so this font is working here, so maybe that font won't work, so I will just simply use this font. You can choose any font you want, so I will try to do with this one. This one won't work either. Okay, this one works. So that's how you can change your font. So that's it for today guys, hope you found the video helpful. See you soon, have a good day.